Good morning, students. Today we will discuss the production function. The production functions, it has a definition, the type of production functions. It has two various ways, the short run and the long run. The introductions of the production function. So far we focused our study towards behavior of consumer. We know that the consumer depends and producer supplies. Both the consumer and producer are needed for effective functioning of an economy, and their respective demands and supply necessary for determinations of price in the market. We know that the producer makes use of various inputs and the raw material for productions of goods and services, and to sell these goods at a price so that he is able to recover the cost of production. Now, you will be able to relate what production means. The production means upgrading and enhancing the utility of raw material by changing it in desirable form needed by consumer. To an economist, production means conversion of commodity or commodities into various different commodities. It was introductions, but right now we will go to the production function with one variable. Production is a process and method employed to transform tangible inputs and intangible inputs. What are the tangible inputs? Raw material and the semi-finished goods known as a tangible, and the knowledge, skills, ideas, it is intangible. But these are related in the goods and the services. Thus, the transformation of input into output is called productions. For example, produce furniture, we require inputs like wood, capital, and labor. In short, we can say production means creation of utility. The definition of production function. Production function represents the functional relationship between the physical input used in productions of goods and the maximum physical output that can be produced from them during a given period of time. It is also known as input output relations. Now let me assume the labor and the capital are the only two factors of production, then production function can be written as output is for Q, the units of labor for L, see the production function. It is the mathematical presentation of input output, that relationship in the form equation of table. Q is equal to factor of LB, labor, land, capital, material, technology, and time. Okay, these all are the production functions. The types of the production functions, the short run and the long run. It is a production function. Short run is that period of in which some factors are fixed and some are variable. A firm can increase its output only by increasing its variable factor. Fixed factor cannot be changed in the short run. For example, land, building, machinery cannot be changed in the short run. In other words, in the short run, by increasing variable factor, the production can be increased, but only to the extent of the capacity of fixed factor. About the long run is a period in which all factor productions are variable, which means all factors including building, machinery can be changed. In the long run, every factor production is variable. The firm has enough time to adjust all its inputs according to the variable conditions, and this change the size and the scale of production in the long run. It is the production functions. After this, we would like to know that difference between the production function and long run, and the variable factor and the fixed factor. Tomorrow we'll discuss for all these. Thanks for today. Have a nice day.